really do this YouTube thing, but I'm gonna try it out, see where it goes. I actually be driving my car. I don't know if there's like regulations, so on YouTube, I guess we'll figure that out as we go. But so yeah, this is my 2021 Red Eye Charger. Hold on, let me just 50-50. Okay, yeah. I was 50-50, I was the police, but I got such tinted windows I can't see shit. I was gonna do a poll for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Just get something going. Let me get around this bend right here. But yeah, I got this a couple months ago. I had a scat pack before this. I always thought about doing the YouTube thing, but I also have a BMW, but I'll show you guys that as well. Seems like a car channel, I guess. I don't know. We'll see where it goes. But do a light little pull. That was the smartest move. I see a lot of movement back there. Fucking hate that after you do like a good pull. But nevertheless, radar detector's not going off, so I guess fucking facing that. But yeah. So I'll check back in with you guys in the morning. Thanks for watching.